how to create and sell digital products for passive income. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today, we're exploring how to create and sell digital products for passive income. First, identify your niche. Focus on areas where you have expertise or passion, such as ebooks, online courses, or design templates. Next, create your digital product. Use tools like Canva for design or Teachable and Udemy for online courses. Ensure your product offers value and solves a problem. Once your product is ready, choose a platform to sell it. Consider options like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Set up a professional-looking sales page with clear descriptions and attractive visuals. Promote your product through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers. Build an audience by providing valuable content related to your product. Finally, automate the sales process. Use tools for payment processing and delivery to ensure a seamless experience for your customers. We hope these steps help you start generating passive income from digital products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.